Here's how to build a LinkedIn ads dashboard inside Looker Studio or any other reporting platform. You can have your first report or dashboard for free done today. Let's get started. So this is also just an example report of what we are going to be able to achieve by the end of this video using the tools that we're going to use. And this is going to be, for example, LinkedIn ads performance overview. Now I'm going to be blurring some stuff out because this is from an actual campaign manager that we use. So I don't want to leak everything, but this is basically an overview of what it will look like. To do this, without the actual pain of navigating through LinkedIn Campaign Manager and manually checking every single number, we're going to use a connector tool. A connector lets you pull LinkedIn ads data into one place, and it turns it into a clean automated dashboard with a bird's eye view of what's performing and what's not. For this specific use case, we're going to be using Supermetrics. Supermetrics is a marketing intelligence tool that pulls data from multiple data sources and sends it into one destination of our source. So a data collector, either Looker Studio, Google Sheets, Excel, BigQuery. In this case, we're going to be sending everything into Looker Studio because I think that's the best tool to build dashboards and reports on. You can use the link down below for Supermetrics to start your free trial, and no, it does not require any payment, any credit card info. You can get started right away. Even my account right now is on free trial. As you can see, here's my trial as well. It ends in 9 days, but this is basically the dashboard and how it looks like when you get inside. This is the main key area of what we're going to work on. We have multiple data sources that we can choose from, starting from Amazon ads, Adobe stuff, AdForm, Google AdSense, Apple. Then we also have our Facebook is going to be, so we have Facebook ads, Facebook Insight, Facebook public data. We have stuff from Instagram, if I remember, and then also from LinkedIn, you'll have stuff like LinkedIn ads and also LinkedIn company pages if you want to check stats from them. But there's multiple data sources that you can choose from. I think there's hundreds. You can check the link down below to see, but that's basically it. You're going to check for LinkedIn ads, right? And then you're going to add a new connection. And what you're going to do is simply be connected or be logged into your LinkedIn account, which has access to a campaign manager, ad manager account. You're going to click start, connect everything seamlessly, and in the end, you're going to have your account connected. Once you do that, it's going to be pretty straightforward. Now, one way is you can use Supermetrics' own dashboards. We're not interested in that. We're interested in actually going into Looker Studio. Now, of course, as I mentioned, you can use Power BI, Microsoft Excel, or Google Sheets to analyze your data that you connect to. But in this moment, let's use Looker Studio. But if we scroll down here and if we go, we have a wide range of templates that we can use for Looker Studio and other reporting tools, as we can see. Let's say, for example, we want to go in Looker Studio, and the channel we want to see the data from is going to be LinkedIn ads. We select LinkedIn, and here we go. We have templates for LinkedIn company pages, channel mix template. This basically is a template for mixing LinkedIn ads, Google ads, Facebook ads in one place and seeing the dashboard. This is pretty useful as well, but we're going to go for LinkedIn ads report template here. Now, once we do that, we just click get started and we select get template. What we're looking for is going to be LinkedIn ads. So this in the search bar here, we can just go in and type in LinkedIn ads. My account is already connected. What you will do after connecting the account is simply just select your account right here. I'm going to be blurring this out. Once you select your ad account that you want to show, report language is going to be in English. And all you will do in the end is simply press connect. Alrighty. Now that Supermetrics has completely connected our LinkedIn ads data into Looker Studio, as we can see, every data in here is connected to our LinkedIn ads campaign manager. We can now just simply click create report, and we select create report here again. And now, as we can see, Supermetrics has completely loaded the dashboard. It is loading the campaign manager LinkedIn ads data now, and everything is being shown correctly. Now, let's say you want to download this report and you're not sure if you want to continue with Supermetrics. It's super easy. You can use this trial to make as many reports as you want and download them as PDF. Simple as that, all pages, and you're going to be having access to all this data. What I like the most about this LinkedIn dashboard, it is going to be the creative performance one. What we can have here is going to be a complete creative list. Based on this dashboard right here, we can actually compare our creatives from different type of campaigns that we ran. And let's say, for example, we want to start filtering by CTR, or we want to start filtering by impressions. What we can do is simply just see which creative is basically outstanding and also outperforming the others. So we know which one is performing, and then we can continue to try that more and more and more. And then we can see also the opposite of creatives that are not performing well, so we just don't waste ad spend on them. If you want to take this to the next level and you want to combine multiple data sources, not just LinkedIn ads, it's going to be Google ads, Google Analytics, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn profile, company profile, and have them all in one single place, you're going to want to invest into the growth plan. Why? Because this allows at least 7 data sources of your choice to users to be able to create dashboards and connect data. And as we can see, the data refresh is going to be daily. Now that you've got your reporting list done for LinkedIn ads, the next step is simple. Go study the data and find what works for your campaigns and optimize. But in the future, I'm going to be showing you tips and tricks on Supermetrics and other data sources that we can connect to make your marketing intelligence, business intelligence as efficient as possible using today's tools. Until then, take care.